Virtual 3D allows us to capture our space using 3D laser technology, building a tour that only gives people a full walkthrough but a unique 3D dollhouse view of a space. Here you can view one of our projects, Ayr Academy in South Ayrshire. The system allows you to explore the building without entering it. In construction, we use this system to show the progress of the build, which we can share with our clients and design teams. We can also use this system so staff and pupils can view their new school in the run-up to handover. They can view each floor and find out where subject departments are located, for example, science, art and PE. The system is user-friendly, and to navigate through the area, all you need to do is click on the blue circles that are shown on the screen, and it will take you to the view of that area. You can then move 360 degrees and view from ceiling to floor, from wall to wall.
So here we are on the last day at the Nightingale Hospital, Bristol. We've done it, we've finished it on time, an amazing feat. In my entire career at Kier, which I accept is quite long now, I have never ever seen anything quite as brilliant as this. There's been roughly 20 to 23 staff here for nearly 3 weeks now, and we've achieved everything the client set us. We've seen the most amazing combined force, the energy of a wonderful bunch of people who've managed to work together to create what we've done in a remarkably short period of time. Huge amount of change, massive variations. With 3 days to go, we had an instruction to add in suction pipe work, 2.5 kilometres of additional copper pipe, which was done, procured, installed, all on time. The oxygen tanks are on test, and assuming they achieve their 10 bar for 2 hours, then we have got the final piece of paper which achieves handover.
First day we walked onto site. We saw this as a conference centre that was used by university students, and we were asked to convert it into an intensive care unit, maximising the number of beds that we could get on site in an absolutely ridiculous timescale. I just didn't think that we could do it. But then I met the Kier team, who convinced me that we're going to bring the A team to site, and I think within a matter of hours I had the confidence, do you know what, I think we might be able to pull this off.
We've had around 10 Kier managers from Devon, from Wales and from our Bristol office. A lot of us haven't worked together before. We've all gelled in a manner that I've never seen on a project before. We're all in one room, coordinating on a daily basis, and we've all pulled together so quickly here. It's an absolute credit to everyone that's been involved.
With everyone being in lockdown, you feel quite separate from the whole process that's going on. Being able to be here and do something that's helping has really been really great, and I think everybody's really had a huge positive attitude. Working here, everyone's got a smile on their face, everybody just wants to make it happen, and it's been hugely rewarding, yeah, so really pleased.
16 days to deliver a scheme of this size and magnitude is of course a huge challenge, but we really have managed to achieve a good standard, a good level of quality and finish, and again all of the subbies have bought into that, and we're making sure that we're not letting our standards drop.
I had 2 weeks in isolation due to my flatmate showing symptoms, and was supposed to be on holiday for this week, but as I'd already had 2 weeks off, I kind of insisted I came here. I wanted to be back on site and I wanted to be doing some work. So these tanks will supply the hospital with all the oxygen that the patients need, and hopefully help save lots of lives.
I can go home and say to my wife every day that I've made a difference to the health of others going forward, and it's been a big privilege for me to work with the team.
Kier staff have been superb. Every single one has performed beyond what we would expect. 12-hour shifts, 7 days a week, really good. Our supply chain, particularly Integral and Pretty on the M&E side, have done a superb job. 50 to 60 engineers here for most of the period, still 20 or so doing commissioning now. None of us want to come back here in 7 to 10 days time when the patients start arriving. It will be a quite different environment from that which we've seen over the last 17 days ourselves. The NHS team that we've worked with on those 17 days to get here have been superb, and the care that they're going to provide, I'm sure, will be second to none. I've walked around with the client today, and to say that they are overjoyed what they see is an understatement. It is a wonderful building, and I think everyone in Kier should be proud of what we achieved.
My name's Kieran. My current role is BIM Implementation Engineer. Very happy to graduate. The course I was on was Construction and Commercial Management. We spend 4 weeks a year at university and we do on-the-job learning. Today's been a very good day, a very special day. It's been 4.5 years in the making and I'm very much looking forward to the next step within my career at Kier. We have a lot of training opportunities as well as our degree. We just ask our training and development manager and they'll put us on any training courses that we feel will benefit us not only in the workplace but also with our degree. Now that I've graduated, I'm looking forward to chartership. Kier want us to go forward with this and they'll help us with our development. I would definitely recommend Kier to come work for. I've worked from projects in the north of England, in the Midlands, from power stations to London and tunnelling underground. So there's a wide variety of projects that I've worked on and different projects in different areas in the country. So being in an ever-changing environment is definitely a benefit to working with Kier.